national river of our India? Good. And next question for B team. How many continents are there in the world?
7.
Next question for A team. What is the capital of India? Delhi. Okay. Next question for B team. Name the 2 seas surrounding India.
Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal.
Okay. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. These 2 seas are surrounding of our India only. Okay. So next question for A team. Which is the mountain range which is located in the northern part of our India? Himalayas. Next, 6th one. Question for B team. Which is the deepest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. Next, question for A team. Which latitude runs through the center of the earth? Equator. So, equator is the center of the earth. It is running to. So, question for A team. Yeah, question for B team. India is a part of which continent?
Asia.
Asia. India is a part of Asia continent. Next question for A team. Name the only desert in the India. Thar desert is only one only is there. Okay, next. Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Next question for A team. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets are there. So next question for B team. What is the solid form of water?
Ice.
Ice. Okay. Next question for A team. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. So question for B team. India was ruled by
British.
Britishers. Okay. So India was ruled by Britishers. Who is the greatest ruler of our India? Ashoka Chakravarti. Good. 18 got 9 points. 18 got 6 points.
Who are winners? Team A or Team B?
Team B.
Team B.
Claps.